Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is not only for learning English, it's also for your heart. Sometimes, you may feel tired, stuck, or even think that you are not improving. You may feel like giving up, like your efforts are not enough, or like no one understands your struggle. But if you are feeling that way right now, I just want to tell you one thing, you are not alone. And this story, is for you. It may help you learn English, but more than that, I hope it gives you a little strength to keep going. So take a deep breath, relax your mind, and listen carefully. Let's begin. There was a boy who really wanted to learn English. He tried many times. He watched videos, learned new words, and practiced whenever he could. But still, he couldn't speak confidently. Every time he tried, he made mistakes. Sometimes people laughed, sometimes they corrected him, and sometimes they simply ignored him. Slowly, he started feeling like he was not good enough. He began to think, maybe English is not for me, maybe I can never do this. One day, he felt completely tired and disappointed. He closed his books and decided to stop trying. Days passed like that. He didn't practice, he didn't even think about learning. But deep inside, he felt unhappy, like he had given up on something important. One evening, he was sitting alone in a quiet park. His mind was full of thoughts, but his heart felt empty. Near him, an old man was planting a small seed in the ground. The boy watched him silently. The old man carefully covered the seed with soil and poured some water on it. After a few minutes, the boy asked, "Why are you doing this?" "It's just a small seed, nothing will happen." The old man smiled gently and said, "Come back after a few days." The boy didn't understand, but he agreed. After a few days, he came back to the same place. He looked at the ground, but nothing had changed. It was just soil. He laughed a little and said, "See, nothing happened." The old man looked at him calmly and said, "Wait a little longer." Days passed again. This time, when the boy came back, he saw a small green plant coming out of the soil. He was surprised. "It actually grew," he said softly. The old man smiled and asked, "Do you know why it grew?" The boy shook his head. The old man said, "Because even when you couldn't see anything, it was growing under the soil." The boy became silent. Those words touched him deeply. The old man continued, "Learning is just like this. Every day you practice, even if you don't see results, something is growing inside you. Confidence, understanding, strength, everything is building slowly. But if you stop, you will never see it grow." At that moment, the boy felt something change inside him. He remembered all the days he had tried, all the effort he had made. Maybe he wasn't failing, maybe he was just growing silently. The next day, he opened his book again. This time, he started small. One word, one sentence, one step at a time. He made mistakes again, but he didn't stop. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Slowly, he started improving. One day, he spoke confidently. Not perfectly, but without fear. The same people who once laughed at him now listened to him. And finally, he understood. He didn't become fluent in one day. He grew slowly, silently, just like that seed. And sometimes, this is what life quietly teaches us. Sometimes, you may feel like nothing is happening in your life. You may feel like you are not improving or not moving forward. But that doesn't mean you are failing. Growth is always silent. Learning takes time. Every small effort you make is building something inside you. So don't stop, even if you don't see results right now. One day, everything will make sense. And maybe, this story is not just a story, maybe it's a reminder for you. If you are struggling, if you feel like giving up, please don't be too hard on yourself. It's okay to feel tired, it's okay to feel slow, but don't stop. You are growing, even if you can't see it yet. Thank you so much for listening, guys. I truly hope this video gave you a little comfort and motivation. But remember, inspiration doesn't stay forever. So stay consistent. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself every single day. I'm sure, one day, you will speak English fluently and confidently. And on that day, you will be proud that you didn't give up. We'll meet again in the next video, guys. Until then, take care of yourself and keep going.